Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial I will be making the practice exercise number 19, and once again this is going to be a special tutorial for the beginners and those who are new to Fusion 360. So what about but before that, you can find the link of this 2D drawing, the PDF version of this 2D drawing, in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. And what we have here is a tree view, the front, top and the left view. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I will be making this inverted T-like structure. Then I'm going to pad it, and the dimension that we needed is all given here. So what I'm going to do, we will be start by making this view first. So switch to new workspace, click on create a sketch, and on the front plane press L for line. And what I'm going to do, I will start by making a simple T-like structure without any dimension. We will be providing the dimension very soon. So let's make a T. Now once done, go back to your drawing. Now you guys can see the dimension from the farthest most point is 95, and the thickness of T at this very point is 14 mm. So press D for dimension, select this line and give this a dimension of 95 like this. Now to make the T look like more original, so switch the place and press D for dimension again and give this thickness as 14 mm like this. Now once done, the total height from this point to this point is 90 mm. So press D again and give this a dimension of 95 like this. Now again press T, give this also the dimension of 14 mm. Now for our next dimension, as you guys can see, the thickness at the top portion of the T is 15 mm, and it's 25 mm offset from this very point. So press D for dimension and give this a 15 mm, and from this point to this point give this dimension as 25. Now our sketch is fully constrained, as you guys can see. Now the only thing left is to give this radius. So here the radius is 35 and here is the radius is 20. So for that, just go to fillet, make it a radius of let me just check, 35 and 20. So make it 35, and for here right click and drag upwards, repeat the command and click on these two lines, press T, and you may finish the sketch. Now once done, I'm going to extrude it, and dimension for the extrusion can be represented from can be seen from this point is 60. So what I'm going to do is click on extrude and extrude it like this. And now what I'm going to do is to make it symmetric from the origin plane, I'm going to mirror it. So direction to be symmetric and whole length, and the whole length is going to be 60. Click on new component and press OK. Now you may be wondering why my component automatically got a yellow color. So basically there's a shortcut called Shift plus N, so that will automatically enable Fusion 360 to assign color to each component. So pressing the Shift N will automatically give it a color. But remember, this is not appearance. For appearance you need to go to the appearance and manually apply it. This is just so visual appearance. So once done, let me just bring back the origin planes. Once done, now we will be making this U cut. So as you guys can see, the dimension is represent here. So I'm going to create a sketch on this very face, and the dimension is represented here. The dia is 16 and it is 20 mm below from the top surface. So what I'm going to do is click on create a sketch from this point, press C for circle, and on the very center press a circle of 16, press D for diameter, press D for dimension and give the dimension from this point to this point as 20 mm, 20 like this. Now again press L for line, and from this point draw a line like this. Again press L, from this point to this point, draw a line. You don't have to close the sketch. The Fusion 360 automatically detects what you're trying to do. Now click on extrude, select this profile and make a beautiful extrude cut here, and this is done. Now now for the next thing, what I'm going to do is to make this yellow profile. For that, as you guys can see, the dimension here is from the bottom to the very face to the topmost face is 50 mm. So what I'm going to do is going to construct an offset plane, and the reference plane is going to be our bottom plane. I'm going to offset it upwards up to a distance of -50 and press enter. Now we have a plane here. Click on create a sketch and bring the sketch like this. Now for the hole and the dimension, what I'm going to do, you can see the outermost circle is 20 and the inner one is 10 and the dimension from this wall is 20. So press C for circles, right on the circle. First circle is going to be 20, again press C, and second circle is going to be 10 mm wide. Press D for dimension. From this point to circle, this dimension is going to be 20 mm, so make it 20 and press OK. Now once done, press L for line, and from this line, but before that, click on project and project these all edges and press OK. Now draw a line from this point to this point, and again draw one line from this point to this point. Now we have a closed sketch. Click on finish the sketch, click on extrude, select this profile and extrude it like this. This is going to be the join operation and the extend type is to be all, and click on OK. Now here we have done making. Let me check if anything left. No. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Please enjoy and don't forget to share and subscribe, and do comment if you want any special requirement. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Make sure to comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.